What's up guys? This is I think vlog number 3 or 4 of summer. We're going to keep track. We're going to try to make one every other day or so. And we're going tubing again if you can't tell. And we're grabbing Maya and Alex today and we're ready for this. So guys, we're all here. We have Alex and Maya. We're in the car. We have our special mount that we needed and we're ready to go. We'll see you at the boat.
The dreams we have, the love we share, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share, this is where we all come.
Okay guys, we did it! Maya, how are you feeling now?
My head is pounding.
Oh. Yeah, she wiped out bad and
2 times.
Twice, yeah.
We'll find it on video.
Yeah, we'll find it. You probably saw it. I actually didn't wipe out today. I'm proud of that.
Yeah, you actually were really good.
I was a trooper today, guys. We all were, but you know. So guys, we just went to McDonald's and then we stopped at Wendy's, as you can see right here.
Yeah.
We went to both. Anyway, now we're comparing Wendy's fries and McDonald's fries. So everybody take the lighter colored fry.
Show the difference.
Yeah,
okay, so Wendy's fries are a little bit thicker, a little bit shorter.
Okay, guys.
So McDonald's fry first, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, McDonald's fries are very oily and salty. Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Wait, swallow it. Okay, now go for the Wendy's fry. Okay, it's not as salty.
Yeah.
Same
I like
oil,
the McDonald's fry.
but McDonald's fries for the win.
They're always the best
It's more
fries.
salty.
Mm-hmm.
I like the salt on it.
Thank you.